The most easiest, the most sexy looking steak out there. The carne asada. You see these best looking tacos right here, right? One taco means you're cutting, 3 of them means you're bulking. It works in both ways. This is so fire, I promise you. So boom, the first thing what you gotta do is wash your hands, you dirty nigga. We got flank steak right here, right? Pierce it with a fork, pierce it all around. This is gonna get the marinade impact in your steak. All around with the fork, boom, 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 boom. Do it on both sides and you straight. Grab some garlic, mince it, put it on top of the steak. Grab some cilantro, rough chop it, put it on top of the steak. Also, what's going on top of the steak? We got olive oil, apple cider vinegar, lime zest, and lime juice. 1 lime, by the way. Salt, pepper, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and cumin. By the way, the recipe is on the website. Link in the description, and you will see it. Feel me? We're gonna marinate this for 30 minutes. While we wait for the marinade to kick in to pack that punch in the steak, we can either do sour cream, tortillas, or our pico de gallo, mango pico de gallo. We're gonna go with the mango pico de gallo. So with your mango pico de gallo, how many times did I just say that? We got some tomatoes right here. I'm gonna show you how to do some medium dices, some nice little dices real quick. So boom, plum tomatoes right here, feel me? Cut the tops off, cut the bottoms off. Do a 1/4-inch slice. This is gonna keep our tomato on a nice flat surface without it wobbly around, rolling around, feel me? We'll put the tomato on that slice. We're gonna do 1/4-inch planks across the tomato. With those planks, probably cut it in half depending how big your plum is, but we just do those 1/4 inches again. Some planks may have 3 slices, some planks may have 2 slices. Use your intuition, use your brain and figure it out. After those slices comes the dices. Simple as that. Look how pretty these are. Easy as hell. We got our mangoes right here. The way to find a good ripe mango, I'm sure some of y'all don't know at all. Just feel the mango. I mean, squeeze it. If it's soft, that's a good mango. If it's hard, that is not ripe. Do not pick it. Grab the soft mango. A good way to peel a mango, so you do your first peel, try to get as thin as possible, right? It comes with skill once you learn the basics on my website. If you don't know, I've been sending out emails. I'm doing cooking programs. Teach you the basics so you can get where I'm at right now. All I had to do was learn the basics and I could do whatever I want. You can see that on TikTok or Instagram. I do whatever the fuck I want with foods. I'm gonna get you there too by going on the website. So with the mangoes, again with the mangoes, you peel it, you're gonna see this little contour. That's what it's called, like where the green meets the orange. All fruits have this. It's called the contour, I believe. Cut alongside the contour, then you have perfect peels. Do that all around your mangoes, cut the tops off, cut the bottoms off, and you straight. To figure out where is a good slice on the mango, yo, these cops is annoying, bro. To figure out where is a good slice from the mango, because you know, mangoes have these large ass pits, right? The seeds. Sometimes when you cut it, it gets stuck. Sometimes it won't go through. So you gotta figure out how to do it, right? So with the mango standing up straight, you're gonna see it's lopsided. All mangoes are lopsided shape. The part that has the fattiest meat, that's your first incision. Cut down there. Cut like a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch from the edge of the mango to the middle of the mango. That little space right there, that's like a 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch type cut right there. Those cuts always work perfect. Put it on the flat side and do your slices the sides, then put those on the flat side again and do your slices to finish off the mango. There you have perfect slices for your mango. What you do with the seeds now in the pits, what I do is, right, I still do like the dices that I'm trying to get on top of the seed. You will see how much space you have left. Well, how much mango you have left. You'll be surprised. So do your little dices on top of the seed and then cut alongside. It'll give you your little dices for the mangoes, feel me? Now with the seed, the little extra parts, suck on them. Pause. Do whatever you want with them, I don't care. Mangoes are done. Now we have our red onion. Simple. Cut the tops off with the red onion, slice it in half, peel the skin away, do your slices across the onion. We'll slice it down the middle for those nice fine dices and cut across. Those are your fine dices for your red onion. Put those aside. We got some garlic right here. Just mince the garlic, you're straight. Cilantro, rough chop it, you're straight. And then look at the portions. We have tomatoes, mangoes, red onions, garlic, and cilantro. Add some lime juice. Put some salt on that bit, put some pepper on that bit, mix it up. That's your nice mango pico de gallo. Recipes on the website. I'm gonna say it again. Recipes are on the website. Next, we're gonna move on to our sour cream. But first, a sponsor. Hello. Hello? Yo, you forgot something. Yes, that's my sponsor. Like the video so I could get up there, feel me? Sour cream in a bowl, add lime juice in the sour cream, put some apple cider vinegar, some salt, and you straight. Mix it up, that's sour cream ever. Now, for your tortillas, if you have a gas stove, right? Spray that bitch, corn tortillas won't stick, put it on high heat, put your corn tortillas on it. Be careful, this is more for experience level. I don't want y'all niggas to burn your shit. If you don't want to deal with that, just put a pan on top of it, heat it up like that, you will have some warm tortillas. Put it on the fire, on the flame, char for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, once you start smelling it, flip it, you got some good ass char. Let that other side heat up, char up real quick, take it out. There's your corn tortillas. So boom. Last but not least, our flank steak. On the cast iron skillet, you got some butter, you got some canola oil. Put those together, we're gonna let that melt, pan heat up on high heat. Steak's always high heat because you want that good sear. Wait, hold up real quick. My shit getting cold real quick, I ain't gonna lie. Flat side first, let it sear for like 6 minutes. We want a good crust on this. Flip it, sear for another 6 minutes. We looking for a medium rare. You can cook it longer for a well done. I don't really care, but I want medium rare. You need to grow the fuck up and stop eating those well done steaks. Medium rare is where the flavor is at, all right? You take it out. So boom, put it on the cutting board and let it rest for like 6 minutes, right? We're gonna dice our steak. So against the grain, if y'all don't know about against the grain, look at the steak. You're gonna see your grain, the muscle grains, the muscle tissues. It has a little line going across the whole steak. That's called the grain. Cutting against it is like this. So grain right here, your knife, cutting like this. So boom. So we do that all over the whole steak, then we do our dicing. Simple as that. And now it's time to form our tacos. Tortillas, 3 of them bitches on the plate. To make a nice little design that I did right here, your middle tortilla should be out more while your sides are back. It looks like a big ass. Just form it like that, then just add it on. Add everything on. Steak first, mango pico de gallo, and your sour cream, put along like a nice little stride. Don't be, feel me? Just nice little stride of sour cream because you want to see the steak, you want to see the mango pico de gallo. Speaking of the mango pico de gallo, put that bitch on top of the sour cream just to make sure we got that, the colors is popping in this bitch. After the mango pico de gallo, add your cojita or your cojita, whatever you call it, and sprinkle that bitch on top. Do not do OD. Remember, we're presenting this to a bitch right now. We're presenting this to make it look fancy right now. On top of the cheese, add your little cilantros here and there. Just like a little cilantro, then cilantro, then cilantro. Just don't OD with the cilantro. The cilantro just for the color, feel me? That green. Our pico de gallo don't have no green. It has a lot of reds, whites, purples, and orange. We need some green in that bitch. So cilantro, just little by little around the tacos, however you want. Don't OD. It's just for the color palette. I know you see it. Carne asadas. If I said that right. I try to make this look as sexy as possible. Try to get my skills. You know what I'm saying? I didn't go to school for no reason. The culinary arts. Don't worry about where though. So boom. Plate look nice. I look nice. Try this out real quick. Sorry to speak with my mouth full. Pause. But that steak is so far. Fusion with the mango salsa, the nice lime kick all around. And niggas know I love sour cream, so this shit right here, tough. One more bite real quick.